It is time to look up the impact of our money. So, first of all, we're trying to find the impact of our money, and I'll do that for you in just a second. First of all, though, the exchange rate. I went and I looked up the exchange rate for Argentina. $1 will buy me 183 Argentinian pesos. $1 in Kenya will buy me 123.25 shillings. Now, let's do Croatia. This website is the US government's currency exchange calculator. So you can see I just looked at Kenya. The other thing I did is I changed my published date all the way back here to 2022 because that's the date that most closely matches our World Bank's cost of living data. And all I need to do is search for my country. So let me search for Croatia. Here we go. Croatia uses the kuna. All right, the kuna. $1 buys me 6.87 kuna in Croatia. All right, now what's my cost of living index for the price of meat in Croatia? Well, if I come back here to my cost of living comparison, I've looked for Croatia, I've looked for meat, and my cost of living index is 0.71. So 6.87 kuna was my exchange rate. 0.71 is my cost of living index for meat. So now, here's what I need to figure out. I need to figure out the impact of spending US dollars in Argentina. So what I can do is I can take my exchange rate divided by my cost of living index. So that gets me 183 divided by 51.23. And I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth, 3.57. So, what does this mean? Well, remember, $1 will give me this many pesos. With 183 pesos, if meat costs this much, I can buy this much meat with 183 pesos. So that means $1, if I went to Argentina and spent $1, I can buy, I'm rounding here, 3.5 times the amount of meat that I could buy in the United States. Let's do the same thing for Kenya. If I do 123.25 divided by 72.53, I get 1 point, I'm rounding, 70. And let me do the same thing. 6.87 divided by 0.71, and I get 9.68. So I am rounding. So, which one do you think has the most impact for my dollar? Well, it looks like if I go to Croatia, I could get almost 10 times the amount of meat as I could in the United States. That's because every dollar will give me 6.87 kuna, and with 6.87 kuna, I can buy this much meat. So that's what we are looking at for your impact.